Hi guys, I'm Toby and I'm going to show you how to mattify your tinted moisturizer using the Lip Bars Set the Tone Finishing Powder. So what I like about this product is that it is slim and easy to use. It's just ready on the go. It's compact. You can just slip it in your purse or in your bag. So this helps with oil absorbing. So what I like about this setting powder is that you can set your makeup and it really just sets your makeup in place, like for the whole day. Like your makeup is not gonna slide or just go all around the place. I get really oily around my T-zone area, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure to apply some extra powder in that area. And then I'm gonna go in with the Lip Bars Boss Lady. This is a really beautiful, like pinkish red color. This is a really beautiful color, guys. I love how vibrant it is.